Hey guys, it's your girl WIGNEE. Welcome back to my channel. So your girl is back. As you guys can see from the title, today's video is gonna be a hair video. You guys know that I got surgery. I'm like 10 weeks post-op, coming up this Wednesday, and so your girl had been back outside. You know, I've been getting myself back together. I've been back at work now for like 3 weeks, so you know I'm back out there, and so I've been having to get my hair done just to feel more like myself. And so WIGNEE did send me a wig, and so I'm gonna be installing it today and showing you guys. By the way, this is definitely a style that is different. You guys know I always wear my hair black and straight, but you know, new body, new hair, new look. I'm definitely stepping outside of my comfort zone. And so today's video is sponsored by WIGNEE, and I'm gonna show you guys this amazing wig that they sent me. So we're gonna unbox it on camera, and then I also have a hair appointment at the salon, and so you guys are going to see me get this wig installed. So this is the packaging right here. It does come in a black box, and then this is the wig. First, I'm just gonna show you guys what comes inside of the box. They send a user's manual. So this is actually the first time I've ever seen a wig company send a manual, and so that's actually pretty interesting. It talks about the hair, gives you details and all the information you need. They also sent me a paddle brush, which is, I'm definitely going to be using this. And then they sent some rubber bands, a wig cap. You guys know the hairstylists are always asking to bring your own wig cap. Then they sent some lashes and the hair roller, and so everything is just inside of the box. Next, I'm gonna show you guys the wig. So this is a 22 Peruvian deep wave curly wig, and so this is what this looked like. You guys, I haven't worn curly hair. I want to say the last time I wore curly hair was 2019, and so it's been a very long time. But like I said, I am stepping outside of my comfort zone, and so these curls are actually really pretty. When I first took it outside of the box, I was like brushing it, you know, just like playing around with the curly hair. But this is it, and so this is what this is looking like. And this is a 13x4 lace. So once I go to the salon, she is going to bleach it and bleach the knots and, you know, fix it up. But so this is what the wig is looking like. So anyways, I'm about to go and we're gonna get this wig installed. So I will see you guys at the salon. Okay, so your girl just got back home from the salon not too long ago, and you guys, oh my gosh, I am in love with this wig. Now, I do want to say that I have not worn curly hair in about 4 or 5 years. Like, it's been a really long time, and the reason why I haven't worn curly hair is just because I've never really found a wig that I liked. Like, a lot of the curly hair that I used to wear, I either used to shed, I didn't like the curl pattern, or I didn't like the lace. But you guys, this hair is so soft and the curl pattern is gorgeous. Another thing that I want to say is this is a HD lace, so it's undetectable. Like, you cannot see the knots on this lace at all. And by the way, you guys did see that the hairstylist did bleach the knots, but this is the best curly wig I've ever had in my life. It doesn't even shed at all. I'm gonna show you guys the back, and this hair is just really full and the curls are so juicy. Like, oh my gosh, this is like such a gorgeous wig. And I feel like this is the perfect wig for summer, spring, all of that. And one thing about me, I do not play when it comes to hair. Like, I've had hair companies send me wigs and I had to write them and say, you know what, I cannot promote this because I don't like it. So I wouldn't even be making this video if this hair was not bomb. Like, you guys, this hair is everything. Look at these curls. Like, this is so gorgeous. Like, I love the curl pattern. This is Peruvian deep wave 22-inch. I love the lace. Like, this hair is just so pretty. It doesn't shed. I'm definitely, you know, when summer come back around and I go on vacation, I'm definitely gonna pop back out with this hair. I'm probably gonna even reorder it in a longer length. But you guys, I absolutely love this curly hair. It is just so amazing. And look at the hairline. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely hate when you can see the knots on my lace. Like, I hate it. And so the fact that you can't even see it, like, it just looks so natural. I also did take some pictures of this wig, and you guys, the hairline was looking flawless. Like, this hair is so pretty, so soft. Curls are juicy, full, no shedding, and easy to 10. And so I'm gonna have the link down below for you guys, plus a discount code. So make sure you guys go and grab this hair by WIGNEE. This is a 13x4 Peruvian deep wave, like I told you guys. And one thing about me, I would not cap when it comes to hair, like, at all. And I would not steer you guys in the wrong direction. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this hair. I was like, even when I pulled the hair out the package, because like I said, I haven't worn curly hair in so long. So when I pulled the hair out the package, I was like, oh my gosh, I am so nervous. Like, I was literally so nervous because it's been a long time since I put on some curly hair. So I was so nervous, but as soon as she put it on me, I was like, this is it. So I'm actually gonna be wearing this hair way longer than I expected. Like, this hair is so bomb. Like I said, this is the best curly wig I've ever had in my whole life. And so, yeah, I'm going to put the details down below. This is by WIGNEE. So make sure you guys go grab this curly hair. You will not be disappointed. I promise you. I promise you. And so, all the information is going to be down below for this wig. Go shop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also follow your girl on Instagram at glamwithTrika. Bye.